Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Most from CommonCode.com. Today I'm going to talk about static in object-oriented programming. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. Here we have a class called Lion, and it's just a simple class, and it has a constructor with three parameters and three properties: the origin, the weight, and the strength of a lion. And here, as you can see, we created an object, lion1 equals to new lion, and we pass these parameters. And if we just use the console.log and just pass this line1, we will get these properties, this object with these properties. And suppose that we have a function here. Let's create a function called canFly. And this function is going to return false. And it's going to return false because obviously a lion can't fly. So this function, if I call it, let's call it here, canFly, line1.canFly. If we call it, we will get false because a lion can't fly. But in this function, we didn't use any of these properties. We didn't use any of the properties of the lion class. So we can use a static with such a method. And to use a static, I would just type before the function, I would type the static keyword, static, and then save. And then if I run, I am going to get an error. As you can see, I'm gonna get an error. Why? Because a static method cannot be called from an object. It can only be called from the class itself. So here, instead of line1.canFly, I can just use the class itself without creating an object. If I remove this, comment this out, and if I save and run, what I'm gonna get is false. Just using the class itself without creating an object. But the question is, why would we want to use static? The reason is that static usually is used when you want to do something common for all objects. So for example, if we are going to create many line objects, line 1 and line 2 and line 3, all of the lines, if I create here many lines, line 1 and then line 2 and line 3, here line 2 and line 3, all of them will return the same value. If I call the canFly, all of them will return false. Therefore, we can use the static keyword because a lion will never fly. So it will always return the same value for all objects, and it will not use any of these properties. Therefore, in such a case, you can just use the static with a function, with a method. So that's it for this tutorial. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, share, and like. And by the way, check the description below because I have created a free ebook on how to make money online coding. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.